Okay, today we're going to talk about some really common expressions, like things like "I would like to buy this" or "I like this." Do you like this? Those types of expressions. So let's start out with "Ich möchte das kaufen." All right, so the verb here is möchten. Oops, I hit the wrong button. Let me just get rid of that and give you möchten. And this is actually an umlaut, möchten. Okay. Möchten. And let's just go through the conjugation here. So we know that, let me move this over here. We know that ich means I, right? And du, and I'm making this really simple. I'm not using the formal you yet because I figure kids learn the informal du before they learn the formal sie expression. So I'm going to just say ich and du, and I'll do wir, which means we. Let's just go ahead and do he and she too. All right, sie, yes, and that's he, she, it. All right. So let's go ahead and run through the conjugation. Ich, all right, ich. Sorry, I'm just changing. Ich möchte. That means I would like. And du möchtest. And wir möchten. And er möchte. Sie möchte and es möchte. All right, so those are the conjugation. That's how each person. So it's like I would like, you would like, he would like, she would like, we would like. Unfortunately, in English, it's all the same. So in German, you just have to learn these outright and learn how to conjugate. So the first expression that we have is ich möchte das kaufen. Das is that, and kaufen is buy. So you're going to notice we don't say it in German the way we say it in English, like I would like to buy this. You see how the direct object, which is this or that in this case, is right here. It becomes before the verb. You're going to notice in German they kind of like to put verbs at the end of some sentences and some expressions. So this would be noun or subject and verb, direct object, and another verb. So ich möchte das kaufen. Ich möchte das kaufen. So that means I want to buy that. You're pointing at something typically in this kind of expression. Let's go ahead and move over here to möchtest du das kaufen? And I really should add a question mark here. Question mark. Möchtest du das kaufen? Möchtest du das kaufen? So that means, do you want to buy that? Now, in this expression, you're going to notice that the möchtest, the verb, comes before the noun or the subject, and meaning that in German you say would you like. So it's kind of like you put the verb before the subject, indicating that you're asking a question. In German, they don't say things like "Do you want?" They say "want you," and it's kind of like really old English, where you might see something that "whilst thou" is kind of an expression like "Do you want?" Möchtest du das kaufen? So das here is the same das here. And you notice the verb comes at the end of the sentence again.
Message received.
All right, so let's move on to moegen. Let's see if I can just move this over a little bit, and let's talk about moegen. I'll bring that back in just a minute. So Ich mag, oh, sorry, let me give you the verb. Mögen means to like. And this indicates if you like something, not in an acquisition form, but more of a, do you find pleasure in something? So do you like this dress, or do you like this car? Do you like this park? Those types of questions. Not would you like. So there's a different expression here. So mögen means to like something. So ich mag, du magst. Mag. All right. And of course, sie and s is the same too. These all are sie mag. And then wir mögen. Wir mögen das. Sounds like Häagen-Dazs, doesn't it? Wir mögen das means we like it. We like that. Let's go back over here to these expressions here. So, ich mag das means I like that. Magst du das? Again, we flip the verb and the subject to ask a question. Magst du das? Do you like that? And that is the explanation of mögen and moechten. And incidentally, in English, we say the word want quite frequently. In German, you don't use the word want as frequently when somebody's asking if you'd like a glass of milk, because it could be considered demanding and rude. So you want to remember, when you're ordering in a restaurant, you always use möchten. Ich möchte ein Salat. I would like a salad. All right. So ich möchte. Ich möchte ein Glas Wein. Ich möchte ein Glas Bier. Means I would like a glass of wine, or I'd like a glass of beer. So that's how you would order in a restaurant. Wollen, which is this word, wollen, all right, means to want. And you would say, ich will, du willst. And then sie, es will. Wir wollen. Now I know I'm not giving you all of the all of the pronouns here, but I just want to give you some simple expressions. In German, you could say, I know I'm getting a little bit advanced here, but bear with me for a second. Ich möchte mitgehen. That means I want to go with you. I want to go as well. Or you can say, ich will mitgehen. All right, these are, in this case, want and would like to are interchangeable. In English, it would be the same. I'd like to go with you. I want to go with you. In German, I want to go with you is a bit more, is a bit stronger. So you want to remember that when you're using the word wollen, which means to want something. Wir wollen. It sounds a bit demanding and a bit emphatic. So you want to make sure that you're using that in the right tense. All right, that'll summarize möchten, mögen, and wollen for now. And I'll see you in the next video.